Hey everyone, today we've got the July 2019 Sew Sampler package from Fat Quarter Shop to open. As I mentioned previously, I've challenged myself to get all of my unboxing videos to 5 minutes or less. To help me reach that goal, I'll put all of the information about what the Sew Sampler package is and where you can sign up down in the description box below. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive in and see what we got. This month's theme is Stitch by Stitch. The back of the theme card has 2 coupon codes. One is for 20% off By Annie's Notions. The other is for 10% off all Fat Quarter bundles. We have a pamphlet that tells us about all of the items in the box and their retail value. We'll use this as we go through and check out all of the items. As always, the pamphlet does include a special members only promo code for 20% off any additional purchases of the box items that we got this month. The items in the July 2019 Sew Sampler package are a Sew on the Go sewing machine handle wrap that retails for $7.98. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. It's kind of foamy, it feels a little bit like a cup cozy, and it's got Velcro on the back. It's designed to put on the handle of your machine to give it a little bit of a cushioned grip when you're carrying it around. A 24-inch white By Annie's purse zipper with a bonus zipper pull that retails for $5.48. The pattern for block number 4 of the Goodness Grows Sew Along by Corey Yoder. This retails for $4.98. A Simply Handmade bag pattern, which is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive for the Sew Sampler box. This retails for $9.98. The back of the pattern says you will need the fabric that's in the box, the zipper and the additional zipper pull that you got, but you will also need 1 package of Soft and Stable 18 by 58 inch stabilizer from By Annie. A 45mm OFA endurance blade for your rotary cutter, which retails for $10.98. Last up is everyone's favorite, the fabric. This month we have a Fat Quarter bundle featuring 6 fat quarters from the Petite Blooms and Bobbins line by Melissa Mora for Riley Blake Designs, and this retails for $19.98. Let's open up the Fat Quarter bundle and take a look at each of these cuts. Fat Quarter number 1, Fat Quarter number 2, Fat Quarter number 3, Fat Quarter number 4, Fat Quarter number 5, Fat Quarter number 6. Those are all the items in the July 2019 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. Again, if you want to learn more about this program, check out the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.